Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, so let's finish off chapter 7. We have 2 more topics, so we start with research objective. Okay, so the last 2 topics are not that difficult to understand. Research objective is basically defined in your book clearly. It says here, research objective is a clear, concise, declarative statement which provides direction to investigate the variables. So what they do is they define the specific aim of the study, and then the aim should be clearly stated in the introduction of the research protocol. Okay, the research objective is part of the introduction section. Now, okay, in general, it says here that research objective focuses on the ways to measure the variable, okay, such as to identify or to describe them. Okay. Sometimes objectives are directed towards identifying the relationship or differences between the two variables. Okay, so so if you look at an example of research objective, you will see that in the research objective section, you can see that they use action verbs with the preposition to. So this is a to verb. Okay, let's look at an example of a research objective. Okay, so we have here. Okay, so this is an International Journal of Economics and Finance, okay, published in 2014. So the title of the research is, Does Corporate Social Responsibility Lead to Improve in Firm Financial Performance? Okay, they're looking at the evidence from Malaysia. So they are looking at the relationship between corporate social responsibility and corporate financial performance, CSR and CFP. Right, so the research objective is part of the introduction. As you can see here, introduction is labeled as 1. Okay, research objective is 1.3. Okay, so it says here that the primary objective of this research is to study the relation between CSR and CFP of public listed company in Malaysia. Right? Okay, so it's not as difficult as you might have imagined. Okay, so the following topic will be population and sample. Now, this is a brief introduction to populations and sample, because the whole discussion on it will be in chapter 8 in the following chapter. Right, just to briefly make you understand what these two terms are. Right, the definition is given clearly here. A population is a group of potential participants to whom a researcher wants to generalize the result of study, while a sample is a subset of that population. Alright, so here is a picture infographic of a population and a sample. Say, for example, you want to research, you want to conduct research about Malaysian. Okay, so you have the whole population of Malaysia, but I believe it is utterly impossible for you to research or conduct an experiment or to hand out questionnaires to the whole Malaysian people. So instead of giving everyone or researching everyone, okay, you would select a few as a sample, right? And that selected sample should be generalizable to the whole population. In other words, the sample should represent the whole population. Now, you cannot just pick. There's a system where you can, or you have to use in order to pick those sample. Now, the detailed discussion on that system will be explained in more detail in chapter 8. Okay, to give you an example, the book gives you an example about a research conducted for CFS students, right? And then only one class of RIK students are chosen to answer a questionnaire. Now, based on the findings, does that sample represent the whole CFS community? Right, so what do you think? Okay, so the discussion on chapter 8 will answer all these problems, right? So see you in chapter 8. Thank you very much.